when you're a startup, you don't have the money to send dozens of people over to China at the same time, to be your eyes and ears on the ground. So having something that you can look at from afar and gauge how the factory is doing on a day-to-day basis is super helpful. We started using Instrumental in our EVT build phase, and it was primarily used by our PD engineers, also myself and several folks on our EPM team. I knew we made the right choice with Instrumental the moment we started seeing latent bubbles coming up in our solar panels. Bubbles would form at different stages in the process, and it was something we fought from our early builds all the way into mass production as well. So being able to have a time zero snapshot of an image and see whether or not a bubble is there, and then also have snapshots of the units that are halfway down the line, snapshots of units at the end of the line, that meant that we could go back and retroactively analyze and look at every single unit and see when and where in the process these bubbles were forming. So that allowed us to do really quick failure analysis for something that otherwise probably would have taken a long time and a lot of experiments. I would tell a potential new customer that if you expect failure analysis to be done quickly and to get done like really rapidly as soon as something starts failing, I'd say that like Instrumental is a really powerful tool, and it's something that I highly recommend that you take a look at.